it made a difference. It does not come up to what it claims. Hi guys, winters are here and here I am in my winter clothing. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Mohini and I am introduced to fashion, travel, lifestyle, DIYs and a lot more, and welcome back to another episode of Tuesday Reviews. In Tuesday Reviews, I review products for you guys. Usually it's about like makeup, skincare and something like on those lines. And for today I have the Garnier Light Complete Speed Vitamin C Serum, and have you seen the ad of this serum that just says that reduces spots in 3 days? In this video we're gonna test that out and I'm gonna tell you my honest and real reviews on the serum, and will it remove your scars in like 3 days like marks. So if that's something which interests you, then keep on watching. So guys, it's the newest launch by Garnier. This is their vitamin C serum. It retails for 500 rupees and it's just recently launched, like I just mentioned. So they have been doing a lot of promotions about this product, and there is an ad which says that if you use it regularly, your spots will go in 3 days. And in this video I will be wear testing it. I will be showing you my skin before and after. Right now you can't see any scars on my face because I have makeup on and my scars aren't that pigmented or like prominent, so if you could see them, so you won't be able to, but I will be showing you my face for 5 continuous days. They say 3 days but I did it for 5 days, and I will be showing you the process ki mera original kaisa tha skin, and then I will be using it for 5 days in front of you guys, and then we'll come to a conclusion. So just go watch all the 5 days and then I'll bring you here. Hi guys, so today is day 1 and I just came out of the shower, so I have like no makeup at all, and these are the main spots I'm targeting. I have something here also and a little bit of spot here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna, like, you know that we're gonna take this serum and let's see after like 4-5 days if it works. So I'm gonna take very little. Usually I take a lot of serum, but I've taken 2-3 drops and I think that is necessary only. मतलब इतने से जगह के लिए तो काफ़ी है. So that's what all I have done, and जो बाकी का I'll just apply it on my face. And yeah, this serum is really nice, but I haven't really tested it for the spots thing, and today we're gonna do it with you guys. So yeah, now I'll see you tomorrow. Hi guys, so it is the second day when I'm gonna apply this serum. They aren't very dark, like मुझे एक दिन में कोई खासा effect लग नहीं रहा है, but maybe on camera it's showing more because I like, you know, like a person cannot relate it in person कि फ़र्क पड़ा है कि नहीं, but definitely I'm recording this so that we can find out. So I'm going to take a little, I think it's very little, a little more, like some drops, and then mainly I'll apply it here around my nose and the rest will be applied on my face. So this is the condition of day 2 and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, so today is day 3 and as you can see they are still there, not completely gone, but we're just going to apply it and let's wait for the results in like 2-3 more days. Hi guys, so today is the 4th day. As you can see, they are like lighter than before but they aren't gone. So let's just apply it today as well, and let's hope tomorrow is going to be the last day and it will be the final judgment day. So I will just take a little dab it and just that's it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hi guys, so today is the final day, the 5th day, and as you can see they are like quite lightened but we still have the marks, so we're gonna apply it and yeah, let's just do it. The results are in front of you guys, but let me just quickly do my makeup and share my final reviews. Okay guys, so now you've seen the difference between my first day skin and the 5th day skin. I will say that it made a difference. It definitely made a difference. It's not like that nothing happened, but it's not like that it's gone in 5 days, right? So the marks here are still lightened a little, but the mark one right here, this you can still see through makeup. This hasn't gone at all. Like ये थोड़ा light हुआ है, but इसको तो कुछ भी इतना dramatic change नहीं पड़ा. But like these ones, they still are little lighter. 3 days, if we talk about 3 days, it does not happen. 3 days में ये serum या कोई भी serum I feel won't be able to reduce your dark spots, marks, whatever. But that's for sure, if you use it regularly, it will definitely show up a difference. I've used it for 5 days on my marks and you have seen the difference. So it definitely makes a difference, but it does not make a like huge difference. गायब नहीं हुए like it claims. So that's what I want to say, that it does not come up to what it claims. But the serum is nice. It feels great on the skin. It's really nice. I use it either before my makeup or I use it at my nighttime skincare routine. So that's how I am using it these days. But I will definitely say that if you use it on a regular basis, like if you use it for a month or so, it will definitely show results. That's what my feeling is. I haven't used it for a month, but I feel कि अगर 3 days में इतना effect आया तो महीने में definitely it will be a very good effect. And if I see the effect in like 1 month, I'll get back to you. I'll show you guys that this product actually worked. But for now, these are my reviews, and how many marks will I give to this product is 8 on 10. The product is nice. The price point is also nice. Like you get this for 500 rupees, and I think for the work it does, 500 is not that bad. It's a really good and affordable serum, I'll say. And mostly serums are like around 700-800 or maybe 1000. So this is a very affordable serum. Garnier is a very trusted brand, so you can like close your eyes and trust Garnier for that. And otherwise also, like this has shown an effect, right? So we have seen a difference. But yeah, so that was all about the Garnier C serum. It's easily available in Nykaa, Amazon, Purple, and I don't know where else. You just Google it, you will find it anywhere. It will also be available in your local stores, I'm pretty sure. And that was it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked my review on the Garnier Vitamin C Serum. And if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the absolute world to me. Bye bye guys. I love you so much.